My name is Claire, and I was the one who broke his heart. I wasn't cheated on. I wasn't abandoned. I wasn't the victim. I was the one who walked away, not with my feet, but with my heart. This isn't a story I'm proud to tell, but maybe someone needs to hear it. Not because I want to be forgiven, but because I want to stop you from making the same mistake I did. It started quietly, as most betrayals do. You don't wake up one day and decide to break a heart. It happens slowly, silently, like a string being pulled loose, thread by thread. Mark, my husband, was good, gentle, stable, predictable. He made coffee for me every morning. He always asked if I got home safe. He folded my sweaters better than I ever did. But somewhere between the bills, the work deadlines, the silence at dinner, I stopped feeling alive. I stopped feeling anything at all. And then there was him, a coworker, funny, charming, different. He asked about my dreams. He noticed when I changed my hair. He remembered the name of my childhood dog. And one day, in the parking lot after work, he kissed me, and I didn't stop him. I told myself, it's just a moment, just a mistake, just one time. But one time came two, then three, then a secret. And the secret became a shadow that followed me home every night. Mark didn't know, not at first, but love, real love, can feel when something is missing. He started asking questions, not harsh ones, soft ones. Are you okay? Is something wrong? Do I make you unhappy? And I lied again and again. No, everything's fine. Just tired. Work is stressful. But the truth was, I wasn't tired. I was lost. And I was pulling him into my storm without him knowing. One night, he found my phone. I had left it unlocked. A message, a name, a truth that shattered everything. He didn't scream, didn't curse. He just looked at me and whispered the words I will never forget. You were my home. And then he walked out. I didn't run after him. I didn't cry right away. I just stood there in the quiet of our kitchen with the coffee mugs still in the sink and the toast crumbs still on the counter. And the weight of what I had done fell on me like winter. He left for 3 weeks. No calls, no messages. The man I broke was rebuilding himself without me. People say time heals, but some wounds stay open because they were never supposed to happen. I wanted to say sorry, but I didn't deserve his forgiveness. So instead, I wrote not to him, to the world, to women like me, to anyone standing on the edge of a choice they can't undo. This is what I learned. The man who brings you flowers may not fold your sweaters. The one who makes you laugh may not hold you when you cry, and the one who feels exciting today may disappear tomorrow when your world burns. But the one who stays through routine, through hard days, through silence, that one is rare. He's not perfect, but he's steady. And if he loves you without fireworks, don't mistake it for a lack of love. Sometimes love is quiet. Sometimes it's the hand that doesn't let go, even when you don't say thank you. And sometimes it's the heart you break that was trying to hold you all along. Mark didn't come back, and he shouldn't have to, because some apologies don't ask for a second chance. They ask for understanding. So if you're listening and you're where I was before the fall, ask yourself this: is the excitement worth the loss of someone who would never leave you, even when you gave them every reason to? I broke a good man, not because he failed me, but because I failed to see that real love doesn't always look like a fairy tale. Sometimes it just makes coffee every morning and waits for you to come home. And I didn't see that